Rest assured, this political apathy is costing you a lot of money. How so? The biggest holder of U.S. debt is not China. It is you. The biggest holders of U.S. debt are the Social Security Trust Fund, about 16%, the Federal Reserve Banks, about 12%, China owns 8%, Japan 7%, and mutual funds, including money market funds, about 6%. Look it up on factcheck.org. You should care about this government. Whether you know it or not, you were forced to buy a shitload of shares in this investment. They just take it from the value of your little bi-weekly paycheck. To fill in the gaps so the numbers stay the same, the Federal Reserve prints money or borrows money from other government agencies, so you get the same dollar amount, but it is worth less. Currency is like whiskey. You can earn more through trade, and your bar will always be stocked. Or, every time you take a shot out of that bottle, you pour back a shot of water. The bottle will always appear full, but every time you drink from it and replace it with water, you are diluting that whiskey. By the way, the first people to get a drink are the banks. You're somewhere around the bottom. If a bar did this to their patrons, they would take their business elsewhere. I recommend going to Emmett O'Looney's in Midtown Manhattan because their whiskey flows fast. Everyone knows this country is going broke. The boom and bust that caused the last Great Recession is just happening again. Banks just lending to people who aren't going to pay back, and the rest of us having to pay the bank back for those people who didn't pay their money back. According to an ABC News poll, half of voters expect life for the next generation of Americans to be worse. It's time to change this now.